The yawning party is just getting started.
From scary yawns to funny yawns, we've got it all. Gorilla. When the king of the jungle yawns, even the trees feel lazy.
Snake.
This snake isn't hungry, just stretching its jaw for the next meal.
3. Cat.
Cats even yawn with style because why not? For a bulldog. This one yawns like it just had the longest walk of its life on the couch. 5. Hyena.
A hyena. Yawn is more like a laugh, and it's scary.
6. Owl. When night workers like owls yawn, you know it's time for a break. 7. Baby monkey.
This baby monkey has perfected the off actor.
Before the final one, please like, follow, and share.
Tiger.
Is this a yawn or a warning? Either way, we're not sticking around to find out.
Which yawn was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun animal moments.